Higher Maths Essential Skills exercise number 7, the complex algebraic fractions. We're going to have a look at a couple from question 2. They are a little bit trickier, certainly a step up from National 5 here, guys. Well, I mean, technically they are National 5 content, but you wouldn't really see these in the exam. They are kind of extension work for National 5, I suppose. So 2 over a squared minus 1 plus 1 over a plus 1. So we're looking for a common denominator here. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to see if I can factorize this, which I can as difference of 2 squares. Now I'm going to have a look at this and I'm going to make a common denominator. So here I have a common denominator of a plus 1 multiplied by a minus 1. Here I only have a plus 1. So I'm going to multiply the numerator and denominator of the fraction here by a minus 1, which will give me that. Okay, so I multiply the top by a minus 1, and multiply the bottom by a minus 1, and that is what we are left with. Now I have a common denominator, so I just add the numerators together. So 2 plus a minus 1 all over a plus 1 a minus 1, and then just tidy up the top, which gives me a plus 1 over a plus 1 bracket a minus 1. So here I have the same term on the top as I do here in part of the numerator. So this actually simplifies. A plus 1 over a plus 1 is just 1. So my final answer would be 1 over a minus 1. Okay, in the back, that is written in a bracket. So, but because it's on the bottom of the fraction, we don't actually need it in a bracket. So on to 2g. So similar idea to the previous question there, to 2a. So I'm going to see if I can factorize these, and both of them do factorize. So 1 over c minus 1 plus 1 over c plus 1 c minus 1. Okay, now I need a common denominator. Do I have it? No, I don't. But if I multiply this fraction, the numerator and denominator of this fraction by c plus 1, and the numerator and denominator of this fraction by c minus 1, then I will have a common denominator. Okay, and once we have common denominators, we just add the numerators together. So c plus 1 plus c minus 1 all over, well, we've got c minus 1 there, guys, so let's write that as c minus 1 all squared multiplied by c plus 1. So again, the tricky bit, if you like, is from here. We need a common denominator, so multiply this fraction by c plus 1, or the numerator and denominator by c plus 1, I should say, and in this one multiply numerator and denominator by c minus 1, and that will give me a common denominator.